Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to animate letters in CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Animating letters in CapCut on Android is a creative way to add flair to your videos. Here's a step-by-step guide to animate letters in CapCut. If you haven't already downloaded and installed CapCut from the Google Play Store, now launch CapCut and either start a new project, then choose your preferred video, then tap on Add. Now tap on the text tool to add a text. Now type in your preferred text. Then choose the animations. And here you can choose a lot of various animations provided by the CapCut. You can choose an in, an out, or loop. So I choose the loop option, and here they have a lot of paid animation template for you to try. There's also free, so I go ahead and choose the free. And you can't preview the animation by tapping on it. You can also change the fast and slow duration by just moving the slider to the left or right. And once you are satisfied with your animated text, tap on the check button and just save your video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.